Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce credit card costs with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding your credit card costs is essential for managing your finances effectively. To reduce your credit card costs with Discover, start by reviewing your current credit card statements. Identify any recurring fees such as annual fees or late payment charges. Next, check the interest rates associated with your current balance. If you find high interest rates, consider contacting Discover to inquire about potential rate reductions. Look into balance transfer options that Discover may offer to consolidate your debt. Pay attention to any promotional rates that could lower your costs temporarily. Make a plan to pay off your balance more quickly to avoid accruing additional interest. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date and incur late fees. Consider enrolling in Discover's rewards program to maximize benefits on your spending. Regularly monitor your spending habits and adjust your monthly budget accordingly. Utilize Discover's online tools to track your expenses and gain insights into your spending patterns. Take advantage of cashback opportunities on eligible purchases to save money. Remember to review your credit report and score regularly to understand your financial standing. If you encounter financial difficulty, reach out to Discover's customer service for assistance with payment plans or options. As your financial situation improves, prioritize building an emergency fund to avoid reliance on credit cards. By staying informed and proactive, you can efficiently manage your credit card costs and make Discover work for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.